Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So here I have opened my Beehiiv. Here you can see all about Beehiiv. I have already created account in Beehiiv. If you have not created account yet, so go and watch my video in which I have teach you how you can create account on Beehiiv. So this video will be all about how you can create landing page on Beehiiv. Before that there was a specific feature saying landing page. Now you can't see that feature. Now here in design you can find that feature called website builder. Now all the information will be in this website builder. So simply click on that. Now here in the website builder you can find all the information about the landing page. Here you can see how it looks. Here you can see the newsletter is under my name. Here you can see that later on you can also change this name and you can also change the logo. Here you can also see the example site where you can find how it should look. Here you can see this proper made newsletter. Here you can see this logo as well on the top. So how you can add that logo? You can see that on our newsletter there was no logo and simple name, not any description as well. So I will teach you in this video how you can do that. So here you can see our newsletter, really simple, with the not any logo and simple name. So how you can change that? For that, simply go to logo and identity. Now here you can see that no logo has been added. For adding logo, simply click on this publish setting option in the bottom. Now here you can see different options. Here you have the general information where you can rewrite your name. Here you can see the publisher name where you can write a good name for your newsletter. So here choose a cool stating name for your newsletter. After that you can also be able to write here any publisher one line description. You can describe what your newsletter will be about. Now after that you have this option here, publish logo, where you can publish your logo. So it's better to customize one or made one. So for now I will go to Google and will show you any logo and will post it. Now I will choose any logo from here. Now here you can see that I am publishing my logo. You can post similarly your logo where you have customized or made. After that you can see that our logo has been published. Here you can also choose a publish tag where you can choose up to 3 or more tags. So here choose according to your own newsletter niche. So here I am just picking randomly to show you how you can do that. So here you can also find about marketing as well. So here just add one of marketing as well. Now here you have to choose your language, and after that you have to choose here the time. Now for language I'm choosing English. You can choose your mother tongue, and here you also have to choose the time. You can choose any standard time according to your own country. And after that you have the subscribe button text. You can also assess that and all these things. These are not much more important for adding logo, or logo has been added. So here now let's go back and you can see that now our logo will appear on the landing page. So simply move back. You can see here our name and our logo has been edited. Here you can change it anytime by simply going through that same process. Now here let's move to next feature. Here you have these global colors. Now here I will show you and I will change the marketing color here, the marketing era color for you. So here you can see that I'm changing the heading color to red. Now you can see that marketing era turned red. Similarly you can change and you can customize your landing page and you can change the colors here. Similarly here you can also change this core color. Here you can see that I have changed the color to blue, and now you can also change this color to black or gray or some other colors. Here you can see that now I have changed the color. After some time you can see the changes. Now here you have to see that now this core color has been changed. Similarly you can also change this functional color. Now here you can see that background is white. You can change that to red. I'm changing that to red to show you how it looks. Now here you will see this functional color change. Here you can see that, but I guess white looks much better than this red, so I will change that again to white. Now here you can see that I'm changing the color to white. Now after some time you will see the changes in your landing page. It will take you a few seconds, 1 to 3 seconds, and now you can see that our color has been changed. Now simply let's go to typography. Here you can see different format for your headings, and here you can see that I'm changing the formats, and after some time you will see the change on your landing page as well. So here now you can see that our marketing era format has been changed. Similarly you can change all these formats, and that was our typography for. Here you can also do global body format change and all these things. Here now you can have this radius, global navigations, and you have this subscriber badge. If we talk about this global navigation, here you can select top navigation bar, and you can select template and their colors, and here you can also select family buttons colors, and everything is candy buttons colors. Nothing much more interesting. Now here the next option is subscriber badge. Let's go to that. Here you can see the general you can see the templates and color and indent, all those things. Here you have this button where you can see the subscribe button. Here you can see the subscribe button is not in red. I want the subscribe button in red because it will gonna enhance our newsletter page, because you can see that marketing is also red, and also these are red in the logo, so it's better to put the subscribe button as well red. So here you can see that now subscribe button color has changed. Similarly you can change and you can customize your landing page by doing that. And here you have this Post style, where you can select your post style, how your post should look like. Here now in post style you have this post page where you can select your background, you can select text colors as well, and here you can also have this home page header style where you can select the style as well. Now in this style I have chosen headline. Now you will see the changes here. Here you can see headline style, how it will look when you will choose headline, and similarly you can also change that back to the normal. Now here you also have more options. Here you have this global footer where you can also do a little bit of customization. It's not as much important. You can see there you have color options here and text options. Come on to the main part. Here you have this navigation layout. This is, if you're a beginner, you don't need much of that, but I will teach you how you can do that. Here you have navigation menu where you can add menu items here as well, and here you can also add categories if you want to, and that was all about nothing much. Here you have this hero section where you can change the theme style. Here you can select any specific style, you can adjust the colors here. And now in this style you can also choose here news or headlines, you can do that. And here you also have this background option where you can upload any background from your folder, any specific background that you want. And similarly you can also do a little bit logo changes here if you want to, and headlines. And here you can also change the color for the content container. Here you can see that I have changed that to red, and you can also change that to white, black, whatever color you want. So let's go with white, because you know that don't look that much nice. Now here you will see the changes after some time, and here you can see that now it has turned white. And here you can also see the border color as well. You can add the border color. You can see that here now we added the black border color as well. And that's all how you can do the changes, little bit changes. Here you can see all these things. Here you also have this author wedge. You can turn it on or you can turn that off. Here you can see that I have written by Sunshine. You can write your name here, the editor's name. Now here you also have this next option called post section, where you can feature any previously made post here. Here you can feature that post for better result. Here you can see that I have created a post previously about Tech Weekly Roundup. You can highlight that here. Here you can add as many posts as you want. Next you have this side bandage section. Here you can also have this headline text where you can do archive, color, texting, all these things, nothing much and more complicated here. Last one here, archive section, is not much important. You can see that. Now here let's go to setting. In setting you can see different website and page settings. Here you have these Pixies, SEO, you can see email capture, comments, notifications, mobile app. You also have the security here and all this theme reset. You can also theme reset from here if you want to. And that's all about the settings, layout and style. You can see all these things, and here you can see our landing page, and you can also publish by clicking on the publish a home page option. You can see that now landing page has been published, and that was all about how you can make the landing page. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.